Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Java tutorial, we'll learn how to reverse a number using Java programming. This is a great way to understand how loops and math work together in code. First, we initialize n with the value 1 2 3 4 5 and set revar to 0. Now, let's talk about the logic behind the reversing process. We use a while loop to process the digits. The condition n equals 0 ensures we continue until all digits are processed. Inside the loop, we extract the last digit of n using the modulus operator %. This gives us the remainder when n is divided by 10. We then multiply revar by 10 to shift its digits left and add the extracted digit to the end of the reversed number. After that, we remove the last digit from n by dividing it by 10. Finally, we print the reversed number, which, in this case, is 54321. That's it. We've successfully reversed a number in Java. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips. Thanks for watching.